Hello everyone, I'm Amado from Airkey. Welcome to our factory, and we are currently on the third floor of our factory. Today we are going to introduce this clean room for you. Now we can see the structure of this clean room with the aluminum frame and the sandwich wall panel. And here is the control panel for the whole clean room. We provide two controllers and the differential pressure gauges, which allow for zone control and view of room pressure differentials. And the controller can control the FFU on-off state, fan speed, and LED light switch. This is the first room, the changing room, and the customer can change into the clean room ward clothes to make sure that too many dust particles are not brought into the production area. And before getting into the production area, we need to go through an air shower, which can blow away the dust particles from our bodies. This is the second room, the production area. The cleanliness is ISO 7. In whole clean room, we provide a total of 17 bridges standard socket for the equipment used in the clean room, and also provide the glass window for better observation. The ceiling mounted unit, including ceiling mounted air conditioner, FFUs, and RFUs to ensure suitable indoor temperature and cleanliness. Besides the FFU is the LED strip light, and the room's lighting can reach hours 800 according to the client's requirements. Through the double door, now we are in the third floor, the inspection area. The cleanliness is ISO 6, a little higher than the first of two rooms. And these rooms, we also have provided some bridges standard socket, and the lighting in luminance is reached out 1100. And here is the air shower pass box. We can pass through the inspected goods out of the clean room through this one. This room belongs to our Castle series. If you are interested in, please contact us. See you next time!